Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a traveler, frequent study abroad or run online business across borders, you are probably faced issues with SIM cards, OTP or verifications and roaming charges. Today I am going to show you a powerful solution and eSIM with HCON number, the world's globally very good. So guys, the product name is eSIM and with a Hong Kong number that works globally. We'll cover all its and how it install and real verification tests and whether it's actually worth it. So friends, let's begin the review of the projects and you can see this is an eSIM Hong Kong number service available from LeSIM and it's designed for cross-border business users, international students, travelers, people registering on the overseas platform. You can use it for traveling abroad, studying overseas, and more over business tips and also social media platform verifications. Unlike traditional SIM cards, this is a fully digital, no physical SIM needed, and I'll tell you more about the project. So friends, let's start with the how it's buy and go to the official website. You can see select your desired plan and these plans you can easily check from here. These are the plans from 2 GB, 1 GB from $2.98 and also 2 GB plan from $3.2 and 3 GB also plan from $3.68 and 5 GB plan from, and these are the more their plans. You can see all plans here on their website and we will give you all the links in our description. Make sure to use promo codes for discounts easily. You can choose from our description, so we will pin it in the description. You can easily see from there. And also these are 20% off instantly, beginners friendly, and also customer service guidance test and stables. Remember to use promo code before ordering any amount. So we'll tell you more about the project. After purchasing, you can check your order in your account dashboard. How to purchase, you can easily go through their buy an option, and when you will see the interface like that. I click on the I agree and confirm the payment option. When you click on the payment option, you can see the different types of networks and options here. You can easily pay from there. When you click on the pay option, you can see the more pages are here, and you can see the select. You can select your token here and USDT, and also select your network here. You can select BNB chain, Ethereum chain, or Tron chain. What you want to, if you want to buy from the BNB chain, you can confirm it, and you can see the and when you click on the confirm option, you will see our address, and you can easily buy from it. So like that, you can easily buy from here, and these are the main things of the project. So if we talk more about the projects, it's install eSIM, and you can see step by step. Open your phone settings and go to the mobile networks eSIM option, and after that tap the add eSIM. When you click on the tap eSIM add it, you can scan QR code provided by. Once scanned, the eSIM install automatically, and if your phone doesn't support eSIM, you can won't be able to use its service. So check your compatibility first. Like that, you can easily go through and buy their plans and also more things. Now the important part of the verification, eSIM is can receive SMS from platforms. Friend, this SIM can receive verification from eSIM, receive SMS codes from the platform like Gmail, Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. You can see these are the verification. You can see Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. You can get your eSIM verification code. So, friend, the platform offers a different packages for different countries and regions. You can see important. You must use the service within the destination included your plan. If you leave the region, don't work as the SMS won't be received. So like that, you can easily go through this project and get your SIM and easily go through more. So friends, here are the some important things no extra fees during the plan validity, and also no number attention recharges. The number is SMS receive only, no calls, no sending SMS section. And you can see section 4 and pro for small cheese. So after that, these are the advantages: fast and stable SMS delivery, easy setups, QR code by affordable compared to the roamings, and prefer to the international use of and this the disadvantage. Talk about disadvantage: limited plan for the phone numbers, no calling or SMS sending, and also requirements sim supported devices. So you choose these sim supported devices. Also you can see your orders here. If you have any order, you can see we have some orders, and like that you can go through your invitation. And this is the important section. You can invite your friends. If you invite one friend, you can see 10% off. If you invite two friends, you can see 20% they will off by their coupons. And also invite up three friends, they will give you 30% off coupons, and like that for 50% coupons off. So friend, if you want a reliable eSIM with Hong Kong numbers, LSIM is definitely worth. Check it out. Don't forget, you get 20% off your orders. Invite friends and get up to 50% discount. Invite your friends, 10% off on one friend, 20% for two friends, and 30% for three friends, and 50% for 50 for four friends. And you can see the link and promo code in the description easily. So like that, you can invite your friend and click on the invite option, and you can see your invite code here. Copy it and go through. Or also you can scan QR code and go through your scan QR code and go to your friend. Like that, you can easily go through and invite your friends and earn more profit from here. Like that, you can see your coupons, my coupons here. If you have any coupon, you can see your coupons from here. You can get 20% off on the coupon. So the project is very best. And you can, if you want to travel, or you are student, or you are like to travel, you can easily go through the eSIM and get more and more profits from here, and get more easy projects from here. If you want video help you, make sure like, subscribe, and the comment your question below. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.